and today I'm going to be building a computer for you noobs. Today I'm going to show you the brain in the Intel i7-10700K. This is the ROG Strix V490 ITX motherboard. Graphics, we are using the Radeon RX 560. For storage, we are using a 500 GB M.2 SSD. Memory, we are using a do not have to make it look perfect, but you can spread it out everywhere. Now just unscrew the back. You don't have to use Push as hard as you can. There we go. High five, folks. I just finished mounting the motherboard into the case. Put the power supply in. Clip the cable in. There we go. All my cablement. And now we're going to add the graphics card. Make sure it goes all the way to the edge. Right here. Find where it opens. Some people might mess up, especially you noobs. I'm messing up. And I'm a pro at this. There we go. Lined it up. Now let's. Oh wait, never mind. There we go. Made it. Now we're done. We're finally done. Make sure you hit that subscribe, notification bell, and that thumbs up. Comment down below if you love this channel. I want it to be 10,000 by the end of this week.